Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Cancer. Cancer people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay. Cancer, in this reading, I'm going to check your current energy first and then your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. So we have Nine of Pentacles. Cancer, this is your current energy. Okay. So we have Nine of Pentacles here. Cancer, you are being somebody who is showing yourself that I am the one who is the master of my destiny. I am the one who has achieved all the material things or the best things in my life on my own. Okay, in short, you are projecting yourself as somebody who is very independent, who doesn't care about any other person's feelings. Okay, not in a rude way but in a good way. Okay, you don't care about people's opinion, you don't care about people's behavior or thinking towards you. I mean, what they are thinking about you, you don't even care about it. Okay, you are independent, you are happy, you are alone, you are not alone, you are complete in your own. Okay, you feel that you don't need anybody else in your life to complete you, to make you feel complete. You are complete in your own way. Okay, you have family, you have pets, you have kids, you have material things, you have abundance, you have everything in life. Okay, you are at this point of time, I can say that you are in the best phases of your life. Okay, you are happy. Okay, Cancer, this is your partner's current feeling. Knight of Wands. Cancer, I feel that your person isn't in real I mean, your person really wants to start something new. Okay, your person is like desperate to start something. Okay, this person is so desperate to do some action in this relationship. Okay, or in this relationship, or it could be in terms of their finances, in terms of their job and career. So something is there which is happening into their life. They're really eager to start something new, or they really desperate to take certain action towards something. Okay. hmm. Now let's see, Cancer, how you see them and how they see you. Queen of Swords. And so we have Queen of Swords. So Cancer, you see them as somebody who is projecting themselves as they are the one who, I mean, they are projecting themselves as a queen. Okay, Queen of Swords. This person has the sword in their hand. That means this person knows their responsibilities. Okay, being a queen, they are humble, they are calm, they are nurturer, they are giver, but they have sword in their hand. That means this person is highly intelligent person. Okay, you see them as they are somebody who is very mature, who is very high, who is somebody who is highly intelligent. Okay, plus you see them as somebody, being a queen, they have their own responsibilities. Okay, and plus being a Queen of Swords, they have this sword in their hand. That means they are not afraid to cut people out from their life. They are not afraid to cut toxic energies out from their life. Okay, they are not afraid to cut all those emotions, energies out from their life, which is not good for them. Okay, on the other hand, Cancer, your person feels about you with this Three of Wands that you are somebody who's waiting for something. Okay, perhaps you must be waiting for someone, perhaps you must be waiting for something uh I mean, they see you as somebody that you are waiting for something. You must be waiting to hear from someone. Okay, that's how they see you, Cancer. They feel that they see you as somebody, Cancer, that uh, you must be surrounded by so many people in your life. Okay, you have best to best family, okay, you must have good and great friends with you in your life, but at some point of time you feel that you need somebody else also who can, with whom you can share your heart. Okay, so Cancer, your person sees you as this Three of Wands. Okay, perhaps people are talking to you, people wants to talk to you. Okay, people must be calling your name, but you are at this place. Okay, you are being somebody who is waiting for someone, who is waiting for something in your life. Okay, so Cancer, that's how your person sees you. Now let's see how you think about them and how they, sorry, how do you feel about them and how they feel about you. Okay, Cancer, with this Two of Pentacles, you feel this person is a big time juggler. Okay, because they are the Queen of Swords. Remember that they have their own responsibilities. So sometimes you feel pity for them, sometimes you feel proud on them, sometimes you feel happy for them, sometimes you feel, oh my God, what this person is doing. Okay, you feel them. I mean, you see them as you. Uh, you see them and you feel about them that they are the one who is doing lot of work at the same point of time. Okay, they must be indulgent to their own job or career, or they and on the other hand they must be talking to their family members, they must be looking after their friends and their family and all that. So you feel them as they are the juggler. Okay, you feel them that this person has so many responsibility, okay, on their shoulders. Okay, so that's how you feel about them, Cancer. On the other hand, Cancer, your person feels about you that you are somebody who is a chatterbox. Okay, they feel about you that the moment someone may start, someone uh, I mean, even though you don't make connections very easily, and if you do so, then you are the one who always try to keep on communicating with your friends and your family members. Okay, so they see you as somebody who is a chatterbox in a good sense. Okay, plus they also feel you that you are the one person who is available for everyone. Okay, you are the one person with I mean, with you anyone can share anything. Okay, so they see you as somebody who is a very good secret keeper too. Okay, now let's see what you feel in this relationship, or what you think about this relationship, and what they think about this relationship. Oh my God, we have two kings, two kings. Okay, Cancer, you feel about this relationship that this relationship has given you so many things. Okay, this relationship and this person must have given you so many good times. Okay, good memories. Okay, you feel happy in this relationship, you feel like a king in this relationship. Okay, you feel that you have everything in life. Okay, from the day this relationship has started, uh, you are on cloud nine, I would say. So you feel really happy in this relationship, you feel loved in this relationship, you feel appreciated in this relationship, you feel respected in this relationship. Okay, but Cancer, there is something which is bothering you. Okay, which is like killing you inside out. Okay, this could be anything, this could be, I mean, perhaps you are being very fearful that you have to leave, or that someday this relationship will end. Okay, so these kind of negative thoughts are haunting you. Okay, so even though you are like you are acting as a king, you are feeling as a king in this relationship, but you have your own concerns, you have your own insecurities. Okay, you have your own fears and doubts. okay, which is not making you, I mean, which is not allowing you to celebrate this relationship, right? Okay, we have this King of Cups. Your person feels about this relationship as King of Cups. They feel that they feel loved, okay? They feel that this is the genuine emotion, genuine and emotional deep connection, okay? They feel really connected with you, okay? They feel really happy with you. They feel really happy in your presence, Cancer. Okay, they feel that my Cancer person is giving me a lot of emotions, and all of these emotions are genuine, okay? There is no fake thing, or there is no lie, okay? Whatever they are saying is saying from their heart, okay? Whatever they are saying, they mean it, okay? So that's how a person is thinking about this relationship, okay? Now, Cancer, let's see what is the future potential. Okay. So we have Strength and Ace of Swords. Cancer people, I feel that you need to be really, really strong in future, okay? Because something big is about to start in your life, okay? Something big and magical is about to start in your life. Some action is definitely going to be somebody is going to take some action to in this relationship, and I feel it's your partner, because they are really desperate to start something new. Your partner is desperate to start something new, to take a certain action towards certain things. So I feel it's your person with this Ace of Swords. They are definitely going to start something new in this relationship, okay? And I feel, Cancer, it's you. You need to be really strong. You need to be really strong. There must be a lot of obstacles in this relationship. There must be a lot of ups and downs in this relationship. There must be a lot of negative and positive things in this relationship. There must be a lot of pros and cons in this relationship. But if you want this relationship, then you need to be really, really strong, Cancer, okay? Okay. So Cancer, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Leo. We have Leo in this reading with this Strength card, okay? We have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire sign with this Three of Wands and Eight of Wands and Knight of Wands. We have Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign with this King of Cups, okay? We have air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Queen of Swords and Ace of Swords. We have earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Nine of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles and King of Pentacles, okay? So Cancer, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.